everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given 4 to the power of x squared plus 1 minus 2 to the power of x squared plus 2 is equals to 8. So what is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. So here is our solution. So we'll begin by this property of indices, whereby if you have a to the power of m plus n, we can as well write it as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we are going to apply this rule for our left hand side. Therefore, this becomes 4 to the power of x squared times 4 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of x squared times 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 8, right? So in our next step, 4 to the power of x squared times 4 to the power of 1 is basically 4 minus 2 to the power of x squared times 2 squared, this is 4, is equals to 8, okay? So you can see 4 here is our common factor, so we shall factor it out. So 4 into bracket 4 to the power of x squared minus 2 to the power of x squared bracket is equals to 8, right? So in our next step, we are going to divide here by 4 and here by 4. So this and this will cancel, and 4 to the power of x squared minus 2 to the power of x squared is equals to 8 divided by 4, this is 2, okay? So in our next step, 4 to the power of x squared, we can write it as 2 to the power of x squared, all this squared, minus 2 to the power of x squared is equals to 2, okay? So then we shall now substitute 2 to the power of x squared by y. So we shall say let 2 to the power of x squared is equals to y. So where there is 2 to the power of x squared, we are substituting it with y. So this becomes y squared minus y is equals to 2. So from this we can form a nice quadratic equation. So y squared minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. So we shall solve this by factorization, whereby we are picking the coefficient of y, which is -1, as our sum, and our product, the coefficient of y squared, which is 1 times this constant here, -2, so this becomes -2. We shall look for two numbers. The sum should give us -1 and the product should give us -2. So these two numbers are 1 and -2. So we shall substitute these two numbers in our quadratic equation. Therefore, y squared minus plus y minus 2y minus this constant 2 is equals to 0. So this is our first term, this is our second term. We shall now factor out our common factor here, which is y. So y into this divide by this is y. Then this divide by this gives us 1. Our common factor here is 2. So this divide by this gives us y, and this divide by this gives us 1 is equals to 0. So y plus 1 is common, y plus 1 into, then y minus 2 is equals to 0. So the product is equals to 0. So y plus 1 is equals to 0, y minus 2 is equals to 0. So y is equals to -1 and y is equals to 2. So earlier on we had said let 2 to the power of x squared is equals to y. We have our y as -1 or our y as 2. So 2 to the power of x squared is equals to negative 1. So we shall reject this because this is giving us positive and this is negative. So positive is not equal to negative. So this is a false statement and we shall reject. So we are left with 2 to the power of x squared is equals to 2. So 2 we can write it to the power of 1. Our bases are the same. We can equate our exponent. Therefore, x squared is equals to 1. So we shall square root this side and square root this side. X is equals to plus or minus 1. And this is our final answer. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to share with your learning colleagues. Bye-bye. See you in my next step.